Okay, we're good.
He's got patrons paying for this right now.
Woo!
Nice.
Charles is going for the second one.
Hi, Charles Duncan Waterman, just loving summertime sailing. Summertime sailing here at the Scarborough Bluffs Sailing School, where I am participating in an amazing exercise called righting your boat. So when the boat tips over, you're supposed to right the boat. Okay, so me and my good man right here, we're gonna jump in and check this out, all right?
All right.
Don't tell my mom.
It's refreshing. I'm feeling good now.
I liked it.
Yeah. Yeah.
For 5-10 seconds, it was really
After all
cold.
the adrenaline.
See, I didn't. Oh, you're not wearing a wetsuit. Okay.
When I came back in, I fell down on my stomach.
Now it's okay.
Oh,
All your effort.
that's what that comment
I
was.
was colder one of the other nights of not getting wet when it was cold and windy than tonight being wet. Yeah.
Even last night.
Really warmed up. No doubt about it.
You know what? I mean, it was okay, but it was more than I thought with the wetsuit.
Right? Yeah.
I thought the
was
wetsuit
expecting-
would be more protective for the
Yeah.
because I see the guys wearing wetsuits in January. And it's like minus 10. I thought that once it took the dry suit, I thought what they do in the winter.
It is a dry suit.
Dry inside.
They're not. It's,
They're not
I
wet, like, it
understand what
doesn't
you're
soak
thinking,
in.
but it's a dry suit.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
made
that's
for
what I
cold
said
weather.
earlier.
Oh,
You guys all good? Yeah. Sweet. How does the water feel? And we're gonna just pretend like the bows to the wind.
Yeah, I think they're dry suit. That's right.
You're right. I understand what you
I
thought
thought
wet.
the dry suits are the ones that look like pants, the loose stuff.
No.
No.
No,
It's
get
the
the
same.
idea. Your legs up there
It
like
looks
we're
the
doing.
same,
But
but it's made
the only
for
difference.
Oh, there you go.
You stay completely
Okay.
dry.
Sweet.
It's
Clever.
meant for colder
oh,
water.
he's got a kinky move going.
Yeah. Is that on video?
Yes.
That's how you put your back in it. All right. Woo! That's it.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, they're gonna. All right, don't be cocky. Don't
Come on, you got this.
That's it. Under the boat.
And then as soon as you can swing a leg up there, you'll be all, yeah.
There you
All right.
That was wicked.
We're all turtlers.
I was worried about Capsize, like the cold girls, but I'm so glad this was easier than the actual sailing today for me.
Yeah, glad you guys had. But you ended on a positive note, and that's not a bad thing.
That's very true.
All right.
Well
And,
done.
yeah, just head down for the side of the dock here.
Give me the
Charles is going to come out and say something.
Oh yeah, I'm waiting for it.
Sweet.
Nice going, guys.
That was awesome. So that is essentially how you right the boat. You capsize, put all your weight on the centerboard, and just tilt it up. Make sure that your partner is safely in the boat, and then you can come in to the boat yourself. But this is absolutely amazing. One of the major fundamentals of sailing, because trust me, in a dinghy, you will capsize. Charles Duncan Waterman, just loving summertime sailing. Peace!